Hey, nigga fart. All good in the hood. Hey, about to go to fucking McDonald's, gonna get a fucking hamburger. Yeah, that shit gon' taste good as fuck. Yeah, I'm gonna hang out with my nigga Big but yeah, we ain't friends no more, but we still cool. Yeah, about to go to fucking school, go to Lincoln High. Yeah, about to go wear a fucking hoodie. Yeah, I'm gonna look at some boobies. Nigga, I'm about to eat a fucking cheeseburger with some fucking fries. Hey, shout out to the dinosaurs, live on fucking dinosaurs, yeah. I fuck a dinosaur, hey. Pull up to your crib, eat a Big Mac, nigga, I'm fat. I'm like Andrew 8, but I ain't Tate, yeah. I'm gonna eat Tristan, yeah. I am gonna go say howdy to my homie Blaze, what's up? Yeah, better go and fly the fuck away. On my fucking booty like a spaceship, yeah. Eat some booty-os, yeah. Wish we could tell like booty planes in the fucking stars. Yeah, I'm on motherfucking Mars. Yeah, I'm about to go to fucking Nebraska. Yeah, I ain't gonna go to Texas. Nigga fart on that fucking beat. Yeah, I'm about to go scream ski, bitch. Yeah, I'm like EDP, but I am fat. I am gonna go catch that. All good in the fucking hood. All good. I already knew. Yeah, I stole the song, but I don't give a fuck. Yeah, stole the song, but I don't give a shit. Yeah. Hey, shout out to my bed, shout out to my head, shout out to my shoes. Yeah, they get me through. Yeah, shout out to you too. So that from you know who you know is, yeah. All good in the hood, rapping to this goofy ass beat, but this shit's actually good. I can't even lie. I should make a song with you know Miles. But he's too big for me. No. I got beetles in my house. Anybody know how to kill beetles? Hey, shout out to the goldfish in my house.